Hey everybody, ready to heat things up with another top 7? Let's talk air fryers. They've completely changed the game in the kitchen, right? Gone are the days when we only used them for reheating pizza or getting the perfect French fry crisp. We're talking full-on meals now. And the best part, they've only gotten better with time. We're seeing more features, better designs, and a whole lot more power packed into these kitchen heroes. So whether you're a seasoned air fryer pro or just starting to explore the wonderful world of crispy goodness, I've got you covered. Stick around as we break down the top 7 air fryers that deserve a spot on your countertop. Let's go! We're kicking things off with the Ninja air fryer, and let me tell you, this one's a beast. What sets the Ninja apart is its versatility. We're not just talking about air frying here, although it obviously does that incredibly well. You can also roast, bake, dehydrate. It's like having a mini convection oven right on your countertop. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. The intuitive controls make navigating through the different functions a breeze, and the non-stick basket makes cleanup a piece of cake. Plus, the Ninja air fryer comes in a variety of sizes to fit your needs. So whether you're cooking for one or for a family of 5, there's a Ninja air fryer that's perfect for you. So if you're looking for a do-it-all air fryer that won't let you down, definitely check out the Ninja. Next up is a fan favorite, the Quisinart air fryer, and for good reason. This thing is packed with features that make air frying easier and more convenient than ever. One of the first things you'll notice about the Quisinart is its sleek and modern design. But don't let the looks fool you. This air fryer is all about performance. It features a large cooking capacity, so you can easily whip up meals for the whole family. And with its multiple preset cooking functions, you can say goodbye to guesswork. Just select what you're making, and the Quisinart takes care of the rest. But here's where the Quisinart really shines. It's a smart air fryer. That's right, you can control it with your smartphone. Adjust the temperature, set timers, and even monitor your cooking progress, all from the palm of your hand. If you're looking for an air fryer that's as smart as it is stylish, the Quisinart air fryer is definitely worth checking out. Now, maybe you're working with a limited counter space, or you're just starting out on your air frying journey. If that's the case, the Dash air fryer is a great option to consider. This compact air fryer packs a punch when it comes to performance, delivering crispy results without taking up your entire countertop. It's perfect for smaller kitchens, apartments, campers, and even dorm rooms. But don't let its size fool you. The Dash air fryer can still handle a surprising amount of food. It's also incredibly easy to use with simple controls and a straightforward design. And here's the best part. The Dash is super affordable. It's a great option for budget-conscious shoppers who don't want to compromise on quality or performance. So if you're looking for a compact, affordable, and easy-to-use air fryer, definitely check out the Dash air fryer. Chapter 4, Emerald air fryer, BAM! Restaurant quality results at home. Next up, we've got a fryer that's endorsed by a culinary legend, the Emerald air fryer. That's right, Emerald Lagasse, the king of Kick It Up a Notch, has put his name on this air fryer, and let me tell you, it lives up to the hype. The Emerald air fryer is all about delivering restaurant quality results in the comfort of your own home. It features a powerful heating system and a unique 360-degree air circulation technology that ensures your food is cooked evenly and perfectly every time. But here's where the Emerald air fryer really stands out. It's multifunctionality. We're not just talking about air frying here, folks. This bad boy can roast, bake, broil, toast, dehydrate, reheat. You name it, the Emerald air fryer can probably do it. Plus, some models come with accessories like a baking pan, a pizza rack, and even a rotisserie spit, so you can really let your culinary creativity run wild. Now, if you're serious about your air frying and you're looking for a top-of-the-line option, then look no further than the Quisinart air fryer. This thing is built like a tank and delivers exceptional performance. One of the first things you'll notice about the Quisinart air fryer is its premium design. It's got a sleek stainless steel finish that just screams quality. But it's not just about looks. The Quisinart is packed with features such as a powerful heating element and a precise temperature control system that ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. And with its large cooking capacity, you can easily feed a crowd. But the Quisinart air fryer is more than just an air fryer. It also functions as a convection oven, a toaster oven, and even a dehydrator. It's like having multiple appliances in one, which is a huge space saver for you. Let's be real, sometimes you just need to get food on the table fast, and that's where the instant Vortex air fryer comes in. This thing is known for its rapid cooking technology that can cut down your cooking time significantly. The Instant Vortex uses a combination of superheated air and a unique air circulation system to cook your food quickly and evenly. It's perfect for those busy weeknights when you don't have a lot of time to spare. But speed isn't the only thing the Instant Vortex has going for it, it's also incredibly user-friendly. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to select your desired cooking settings, and the clear display lets you monitor your progress at a glance. And the best part is that the Instant Vortex air fryer is surprisingly affordable, especially considering its speed and features. Last but not least, we have the Chefman Turbo Fry Air Fryer. This air fryer combines powerful performance with a sleek and modern design. It's the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. The Chefman Turbo Fry features a powerful heating element and a unique turbo function that delivers a blast of superheated air to ensure your food is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. But it's not just about power, the Chefman Turbo Fry is also designed for convenience. The non-stick frying basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And the size of this air fryer means it won't take up too much space on your countertop. Plus, the Chefman Turbo Fry comes in a variety of stylish colors to match your kitchen decor. So, there you have it. Those are my top 7 picks for the best air fryers on the market right now. Whether you're looking for versatility, convenience, affordability, or just plain old cooking power, there's an air fryer out there that's perfect for you. I hope this video helped you narrow down your choices. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top 7 videos. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which air fryer you're thinking about getting or which one you already have and love. Until next time.